Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of NZDUSD. Now this level has been broken. This was the resistance. Let me put this was the resistance. Now this has been broken to the upward, so now this pair will go up, though it will come down for retracement. It is coming down. Now the setup that I want to show you on 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, it has made of here. It is coming down now. Let us see on the 1 hour time frame. Now this is the downward setup on 1 hour time frame. It has been rejected from here, and now it is expected to come down. Now where it is expected to come down, now the market is bullish. It is not bearish because the upward level of the resistance has been broken. But where is it is expected to come to? Let me show you on the daily time frame. Now this is daily time frame. After breaking this, after breaking this resistance, now this pair is coming. No, it had come to this level. Then where will it go? Will it come directly to same level? Let me. What is the next good support? Is this support? Then why is it coming downward? This has broken to the upward, then came down. Now if this was support, then okay, let us consider it. Let us see it together. Thanks for watching and thanks for coming on my channel. Now is this the support? Is this the support? Let us see. If this is support, then why it is coming downward? Otherwise, it could be said that this is a downward setup. This is the high of the market, this is the down of the market. But most of the things are seen. This is not as simple as it looks like. Though I am not fully expert, but I try my best to understand this and make it clear for all of my viewers who watch with trust this channel and who love this channel, who like this channel. I really try my best, and I want to give you a clear position. I don't want to confuse you. I want to give you my clear uh, idea, clear my analysis. Then it's all up to you. How do you decide? You must have your own viewer also. Now this is coming down. Let us see this on the 1 hour time frame. This is the downward setup. Downward setup. I am expecting that it is coming downward. Will this come up to this same support? Let me think again, because this market, yes, it must come at this support or this support, not more than this. If it is broken down, will it be then what is being done here? The upward resistance is broken. And the second thing that I wanted to show you here, watch that after this high, the market has come straight downward, and same way went up to straight downward and broke this same same level. Most of the time when market goes to up or down to this way, to any side, without making high lows, because when it came here, where was it its high? No, it came down again, directly came down here. Here it went down and up, and this was the down of the market, this was the up of the market, this was the low of the market, this was the high of the market. Markets make this when they are going to change their trend. Now this was the low of the market, this was high of the market, then this was head and went up, broke this, it was broken here, but then did not come directly for much retest as most of the pair do. The reason was that it came directly, it fall down just like same way it went up, and now this level has been broken. So this will go up, but from where will go, will at, at least it is expected to come to this support, because let me see again now, this is on the 1 hour time frame, this is a downward move, this is a downward setup. Yes, this is a downward setup, it has been rejected. And let us zoom in again. When we zoom in, oh sorry, zoom out, see it, yes, it's coming down, but the level has been broken, so it will go up. So I think this is the best side for buys, because if this will be broken, then how can we say that this must be a support? Let us see again. I think this support will be retested again, but let us see, is it a valid support? Is there any on the data frame? We have what we have. Yes, this was a resistance, here it was a resistance, here it was a resistance. Sorry, I sometimes I say call resistance support resistance. Here it was support, here it was support, here it was support again, here it was resistance, here it was broken. So this is a valid support. Maybe it come down to retest this and go up again. Otherwise I could say that after this support it must go upward, but it looks like the setup is of an hour, 1 hour time frame. It will come back to retest this level. So let me, now I want to be clear now, I don't want to confuse you, because if you will watch all of my videos, I don't say that I am 100% right, I am perfect. I maybe sometimes make mistakes, as I am a human, I am an analyst, but I try my best to be clear what am I saying. I don't want to confuse you, either will go up or either will go down. I will let you know my own analysis to the one side. Then it's all up to you. What does your analysis say? How do you see this market? How do you decide? It's all up to you. But at least as it is my responsibility to be clear, in my opinion, in my thoughts. So yes, I think this is the best. This will be the best position for buys, for long position. If long position is put here, stop loss be where, and take profits. Let me make it clear. Actually I have done too much work to do analysis. 2 videos already my are one on gold, other on the AUD USD. So but this setup that I saw right now, I did not want to miss this. I wanted to. Now let me think again. If we put the position here for take profits, 1, 2, and stop loss under this week. Stop loss under this week. This or that week. This is swing trading. Now when if you enter, if any trader enter here, take profit can be taken here or here or here, because and also up to this level, this is also some level. So take profits are here, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, as many take profits you find comfortable with, but the level is broken, and this is the current low of the market, and I don't think that this will be broken, and after coming near to this, the market will go up and break this, and from here maybe it will retrace again, and then will it is expected to go up again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share with others, and let me know in the comments whether I am quite clear in this my analysis or a bit confused. I have tried my best to be clear, to give you my analysis. Now it's all up to you. How do you see market? What's your analysis? What do you do? Decide. It's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.